Good afternoon, and thank you very much for joining on us another content corner. Thank you very much for the feedback on the last couple. It's been really useful to help tweak what we're doing over the next period, really. We've got some really exciting things coming up. Thank you very much for all the feedback. Not so keen on the feedback that I was wearing my dance jacket. That didn't go down quite so well. I'm only joking. Hopefully today's jacket doesn't look like I'm wearing my dad's jacket, but nevertheless, it's not, and last time it wasn't either. However, thank you very much for the feedback. So what we want to talk about today is the difference between UK tax, VAT, and US tax, and the differences between the two, because it's probably one of the things we get asked the most. Well, how does VAT work? How does it compare between the two? And let me just put a disclaimer in now that I am not a US tax expert, okay? So I'm going to use some broad things to describe the differences between the two, because it's all very well me saying this. I'm not a US tax. I focus on the EU. That's my remit, not the US. But I'm going to just give you some differences. So in the US, I might rock up to buy this glass or this laptop, and when I arrive at the counter, the checkout, I'm going to have to pay sales tax on top of that. All right. So I'm expecting that as a US citizen. That's the sort of thing I'm expecting. Now, in the UK, when I rock up to buy this laptop or this glass, the thing that I'm expecting is the VAT is included in the price. VAT and sales tax are pretty similar in the meaning it's a tax to the government. Like, that's the broadest terms of what it actually is. Now, the key thing to think about when you're looking at the tax for the US and the UK is that the sales tax is added on in the US, and in the UK it's included in the price. Now that's important to know, because when you're selling your product here in the UK on Amazon or any other marketplace, this glass you want to sell for £1. That includes your profit. You're then expecting the sales tax to be put on top. That means you need to sell this glass for £1.20. All right? Actually, that's a good point. Pounds and pence, dollars and cents. Pence is our cents terminology. Not everyone knows that, so I thought I'd get that in there. That's a cheeky little bonus for today. So, anyway, moving on. That's the main difference, all right? The main difference is that sales VAT is included in the price, as well as sales tax is not. Now, you have something called Nexus, where there's cross-border thresholds and everything else involved. There are some similar things involved where you go from the UK to Germany to Italy, Spain, and things like that as well. But I'm not going to get involved in those. We're going to talk about that on another content corner, about the differences between the thresholds and things like that. But really, the key difference is, one, sales tax is added on at checkout, whereas VAT is included in the price. And that's really key to know, because when you're looking at the profitability of your product, you need to know that. All right, because you'll say to me, Andy, I put everything up for £1 and I sold them all, but now you want 20% of my profit? No, I don't want 20% of your profit. You need to put 20% on top of the £1. All right, really key. So that's the main difference between sales tax and VAT here in the EU. Hopefully that's been of huge use. We've done some previous content corners. There'll be some links to those in the videos, I'm sure, or below if they're relevant. And we look forward to welcoming you on the next one. Please make sure, if this has been useful, you share this with another seller that may find this useful, or like and share and do all those sort of social things that work best for you. That's it from me. My name's Andy. I'm from here from Global E-Commerce Experts, and we're here to help make you EU's next biggest seller. Thank you for your time.